Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing good. I hope you're all doing fine. So today we are having some egg noodles with, now like I say, I'm in survival mode. I'm eating what I've got, so don't come for us. So we're having some egg noodles. I've chopped up and sliced some potatoes. I've chopped up half an onion, white onion, some 2 cloves of garlic. I've added in some chickpeas. Listen, I'm trying to bulk it out. I'm trying to make a meal here. And some, do you know the pork, what you get out of a tin? I've added some of that in there as well. So, yeah. Seasoning, I have got soy sauce in there with some Chinese salt and pepper seasoning as well. So, yeah. Potato, and I think that's pork. Oh, I'm starving. Motorbikes out in force the night. Water. Let's see. Nope. It's like, woohoo! So I've got videos, so them are going to be like older videos what I'm going to upload. Basically, I'm going to upload every day. I am. With all me meals and dishes, what I'm going to do. I am. I think this one might go up tomorrow, which is Thursday or Friday. But if you've been on TikTok, you will hear that, or you probably would have seen, because it's all over me, FYP. Americans taking the piss out of British by the UK. I find it funny. Do you know what it is? It's stuff like this what gets us through. You know, like the bad times what I'm going through at the minute. But if you don't know what's going on, so basically if you're from the UK, you will know exactly what I'm saying and what I'm referring to. It's not racist in the slightest. But yeah, we go. I'm having a Chinese. I'm having an Italians. I'm having a Mexican. What am I saying? That is what I'm gonna have tonight. Or that's what we're gonna go out for. Do you know what I mean? Of course, Americans are trying to make a song and dance out of it. It's not working. You know, because basically there's 2 different Chinese food in the UK. You've got your Chinese takeaway, which isn't authentic. It's our version of a Chinese takeaway. It's cheap and it's efficient for us to have. Then you've got your Chinese restaurants, which is completely different to a Chinese takeaway. If we were wanting the likes of dumplings, we would have to go to a Chinese restaurant. We would. Not a Chinese takeaway. But if you were wanting anything like that, like dumplings and all that, you would have to go to a Chinese restaurant. Well, for Chinese takeaway, it's just completely different. I mean, I could have a Chinese takeaway for under £10 and I would have leftovers for tomorrow. So I would have 2 meals. That is a slice of garlic. No vampires are coming for me tonight. Poor Eric. I mean, tell us, have you watched True Blood? It's not a new series, it's like way old. So if you have watched True Blood, you know who Eric is. And True Blood is not kids appropriate. I'm just saying, it is not kids appropriate. It isn't. It's nothing like Twilight. Nothing like Twilight. True Blood, the only way I can describe them is Twilight is for Disney Channel, Disney Plus. True Blood, OnlyFans. Do you know what I mean? It's bloody lonely. But I just want to, I think the garlic got me nose well. I just had a sneeze and a cough a bit. I should have said this at the beginning of the video. I do apologise. I just want to say thank you to everybody who offered to send us some money via PayPal. Honestly, guys, I would feel like absolute shit if I was to accept any money off yous. Because the way I say it is, I've already lent money off my mum. I've lent money off my son, which I should never, ever have to do. And if I was to accept money off yous, I would feel that added pressure to pay it back. And I don't need that added pressure to pay back when I want to get myself sorted, you know. So thank you, I really do appreciate it. It's greatly appreciated. Oh, I could have done with some more noodles. But yeah, thank you for all offers. Thank you for the prayers. You know, when you've got people who support you, and you know you've got God on your side, the world's your oyster. It is. So just gotta keep me faith and another big bit of garlic. But what I would like to say is how you can support us is obviously subscribe to my channel. I know you already are, but if there's anybody new, I know they're a pain, but watch the ads. It all helps. I know we live in a world where we can skip the ads, whereas in the past we couldn't. Time to use a spoon. But yeah, watch me videos, watch the ads, really appreciate it. Oh. I'm going to do a vlog as well on Sunday, because I've been doing car boot sales to make a bit of money. So I'm going to vlog on Sunday. I could have went to the one today, but it's only just started today, and I didn't want to waste petrol, and I didn't want to go there and not make any money. Whereas I know if I go on Sunday, I'll make some money, you know. So yeah. I mean, that's literally the only way I've been making money. Is through selling stuff in the house. But I mean, I need to get rid of it anyway. But when you get no help from the government, because apparently I'm not entitled to it, you've got to do what you've got to do, just put gas and electric on and buy a bit of food. And I'm going to get going in anyways, because this is like really, really long. We've been talking. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And also, thank you for the support. Thank you for the words of encouragement. Thank you for everything, the support, everything. I am truly grateful. God bless us all. Bye.